This video is sponsored by Diecast Airplane Store. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another review video. Today I would like to review LTU'S SUD AVIATION SE-210 CARAVELLE 10R by AEROCLASSICS. The mold shape-wise looks fantastic, but I feel as if this mold is a little bit longer than what it should be. The colors appear to be an exact match. One flaw with the print is that the airline's name is placed incorrectly on both sides. It should be placed closer together to the R1 and L1 door. Also, the cockpit windows are smaller and are incorrectly done. The cradle mount is done okay. It has a small seam all around. The wings are nicely detailed. One flaw is that there's a part of the left wing that is a little bit overglossed. The engines are incorrect in this model, which is a big flaw. The landing gear appears to be metal, while the wheels are rubber. Only the left front bulky wheels don't turn. Also, the nose landing gear door appears to be just a little bit too big. Overall, this model will be up to you to get. The reason being is the incorrect engines. Well, that concludes the review for LTU'S SUD AVIATION SE-210 CARAVELLE 10R by AEROCLASSICS. If you have this model, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest reviews. This is Alpha and hope to have you guys back again soon.